Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with part two. It's a project share of what I created with the beautiful box of beads and beadable items that Karen Thomas had sent me. So Karen Thomas has a website, so it's Karen Thomas Designs, email, and an Etsy shop. I'm going to link all of them below. So in case you didn't see the video that I'm talking about where I did an unboxing of the beautiful items she sent me, I'll link that video below as well. And if you're dying to meet my new kitten, the kitten made an appearance in that video. So I did get a new kitty to add to my furry family, and my son's named him Zamboni. He's so cute. So she had sent this beautiful box with 6 containers filled with beads and spacers and all the things, and then she sent some beadable items, and I used almost everything that she sent. I do have enough to still make some creations with these beautiful beads, which I am going to make some more creations with these beads. They will not go to waste. So I'm going to show you what I made. And then I will tell you now, I'll tell you again later, if you're interested in shopping at Karen Thomas's website, I will have a code down below where you can have $10 off a $50 purchase. And then if you stay till the end, I have another little surprise for you. So first, I'm going to show all the fun things that I made. So this is a makeup brush, and she sent some silicone beads and acrylic beads, and I decided to use those for the makeup brush because I thought they'd be easier to clean if they get a little makeup on them. And I just thought this was so pretty. I love the colors that she decided to send me. I love greens and teals and blues together. So I made that makeup brush. And then she sent this fun little ice pick, or well, it's like a little ice tong, I guess. And I did this one last. This was the last thing I decorated. So I'm not sure. I might switch this up, but I do love this topper. So you could actually take off the little silver ball, you know, which is like this, and replace it with this. And I thought those are so fun. I still have 2 more, and I might switch these up a little, but I just wanted to show you what I had done so far. And then kind of to go with the bar theme, there is this beautiful wine stopper, and I put this lovely dragonfly on here, charm that she sent hanging off, and then all of these beautiful beads. And so, of course, everything just goes so nicely together. I absolutely love it. And then this little heart shovel, I'm in love with it. I might have to order some more from her, but she sent this gorgeous long glass bead, and I thought I had to put that on here. It fit perfect, and it was so beautiful. So I did that, and I'm going to use this for my sequins. And then lastly, she sent 2 pens. And so this pen came with this beautiful, here comes my kitty, sorry. These beautiful flowers and rhinestones on here, and I decorated that. I just thought it was so pretty with like the mints and the blues. So that turned out great. And then this one is my all-time favorite. Look at how gorgeous this blingy pen is. And it's a nice heavy metal pen. And I had to put this beautiful bead on here, the butterfly, because it matched everything so well. I thought about putting this at the end and making it a little bit longer. And I don't know. I just thought this was so pretty. I might switch it up though. I just can't decide. But I just thought this was so pretty. I'm in love with this pen. Karen has such beautiful items on her page. You need to go check her out. Again, I do have a code if you enter in, and I'll put it down below. If you enter in crafty10, you will get $10 off a $50 order. And she has fun silicone beads, focal beads, large hole beads, all kinds of beautiful beadable items. She has sport team beads. There's just so many fun things out there. You need to go check it out. But I'm going to run a little fun contest. So I was talking with Karen, and I said I wanted to support her And I wanted to run a fun contest. So this fun box that was put together, this beadable kit, I'm going to give away a beadable kit. So Karen's going to help me put it together, and then we'll ship it off to a customer or a subby. So again, it's US only, and I can't ship it outside of the United States because it's going to be very heavy. These beads are, a lot of them are glass, and so it's going to be very heavy. So it's for open to US only. And what I'm asking you to do is be a visible subscriber and then comment down below butterfly, so we can showcase this beautiful butterfly bead. Just comment somewhere down below butterfly. You can also leave some fun comments for Karen. I know that Karen's been watching all the comments on the other video, and she's really enjoying hearing what everyone thinks about her beautiful beads and beadable items. So like the video, be a subscriber, and then down below, leave a comment that, you say butterfly somewhere in the comment, and I will pick a winner. I'm actually going to leave it open for a few days, so I'm going to pick my winner on Sunday, which if I had a calendar, I'd tell you what day that is. I will put down below the date that I'm going to do the drawing, the date and time that I'm going to do the drawing, and then on the video, I'll write closed once I draw the winner. So please leave a comment down below, use the word butterfly, head over to Karen's page, check everything out, use that coupon code. Thank you everyone so much for stopping by. I hope you have a good day. Bye.